Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup unboxings, makeup tutorials, makeup looks, just pretty much anything that is related to makeup. And today we are going to be doing another makeup unboxing. We're going to be unboxing the Boxycharm Premium. This is $35 a month. You get, I think, around six. It does say like 6 to 8, but I think you get like 6 products in here for $35. Not really a bad deal. And the brands are normally like higher end to luxury brands. So I do like that, and I do like that it's full size. Okay, so here's the inside. So I am like really excited about this box. Okay, so our theme this month is Be My Glam and Tide. Be My Glamentine. Okay, if anybody wants to know what number I got, just let me know and I'll put it down in the description box. Sometimes I forget, or I'll put it in the comments. Just ask and I'll let you know. But looking at this box, I am really, really excited for it. I cannot wait until I get everything moved around to where I can actually film on my vanity and not like on this other thing, because this is kind of aggravating, but I'm glad to be back filming. So this is my like second video. I've got a couple like eyeshadow looks I'm going to do and get ready with me and stuff, so that's coming up. So first item, I don't know what to grab. Let's just grab this. It's on top. Okay, so this is by Huda Beauty, Mercury, Retrograde. Oh, I love this. I love Huda's eyeshadows. I've never had them fail me. And this one is, I like the case. It's like a hard plastic. It does have like a, I should have left that on. Probably would have been better, because I get like all my shadows are like dirty. But let me see. It does have a good mirror. And then you can see all my makeup behind me or in front of me. It does have another there. Okay. These shadows are absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to play with this. I will probably do a look with this, because this is just so pretty. I love it. Okay, let's swatch. Let me lay this over here and get it on my lap. Okay. So, oh my god. The shimmer feels really smooth. Okay. Let's see. This one is Cosmic. This one is Utopia. Ultraviolet. I love these. And this one, let me get it. That is Nebula. Then the last two is Mercury. It's this beautiful purple, blue. And this one is Haze. Love that shade. Okay. Second row is Off Balance. Let me just... So, that's Off Balance. Galaxy. Libra, which is me. And Crash. Okay. The next two is Momenta, and here's Momenta and Super Moon. Like my dry elbow. Love Super Moon. Okay, we'll swatch the last row. I ran out of room. Okay, so we got Vortex. And let me see what that is. It's like the way it's laying, I can't. It's okay. So this like pink is Hot Mess, and Supernova. Okay, so we got Karma, Gold Glitch, and Frazzled. I like these shades. I like these shades. I am like so excited. I really want to do something with this color. I want to play with, I don't know. I want to play with all of them. I love working with colors. I like bright colors. I like nudes. It don't really matter. But 9 times out of 10, I am probably going to go with brighter shades, because that's just what I do. Okay. Next is Vike. And this is a gentle oil-free makeup removal spray with skincare active. It cleans plus nourishes the makeup melt. We're getting 6.7 flow ounces, 200 milliliters. I did get my nail like sanded off. I ain't got it back on yet. Like, being a little lazy about it. Let me see. It's got a smell to it. I don't know what that is. It's like... And it actually, look, it works really good. Glitter everywhere, but that's to be expected. Anything with glitter in it is going to be everywhere, but that worked really good. I cannot wait to try this tonight. Okay, next thing, I can already tell what this is. It's Christopher Robin, Broom Volatilizing, Instant Volatilizing, leave-in mist with rose water. It uplifts your root and fuller limbs. I actually have like a leave-in conditioner, the green one, in right now in my hair. You're getting 150 milliliters, which is 5.0 US flow ounces. It works like when I wash my hair, and I'm really bad. I wash my hair like too much, and I know I do. I try to skip a night about washing my hair, because I know it's like going to dry out and stuff like that. But I don't know if it's just my hair or what. If I skip a night, like washing, I didn't wash it last night. It looks all right today, but it starts getting greasy really fast. I've been trying to like do dry shampoos and stuff like that, but a lot of stuff just makes my hair really greasy. I can't use a lot of like any kind of products that don't make my hair greasy. I have to be very careful, use a small amount. But I don't have no trouble with the Christopher Robin. I spray it in my hair, and within 5 minutes, I can literally take my fingers and run through my hair, and it does really good. So, I think I will like this. Okay, next thing is by Dime. I guess it's by Dime. Okay, Eyelash Boost Serum. We're getting 6 milliliters, which is 0.20 flow ounces. Here lately, I've got a serum I've been using, but I forget to use it every day. But that's me. I forget. My head, if it wasn't connected. Now, sometimes even with like lash serum, I'll put it in my brows too, because my brows are patchy. But right here it is. It feels really good. It kind of feels like it's some kind of metal. Yeah, it's some kind of metal. So it's like a heavy bottle. And there's the one. It does have a little bit of smell, but I don't think it's really going to bother us as long as it don't leak in our eyes, which lash serums really never do. It's a little bit runnier than what I'm used to, but I think that's alright. I think it's just new. Like, can you see? It's got a big clump on it. But I think I like it too, because I've been like really trying to, like, I wish my lashes was fuller, longer, which probably ain't ever gonna happen. Okay, next product is Badass Mother MF. Okay, by UOMA Beauty, and this is their Badass MF Matte Filler Lip Liner. It's 1.14 grams, which is 0.4 flow ounces. And what color is it? Angelou. It's the name shade. It's good for 18 months. Earlier, been like with this lip, this is like a lip I've been doing a lot lately, like a little ombre moment. And I've been using like this brown liner from Lonnie. Love it. I went to do my lips. I've got a few different, like, from a dark rusty red to a bright red to like a pinkish, and then like a really light pink. And I laid my brown liner down a minute ago and could not like find it anywhere. So I had to end up getting another liner. I'm telling you something, it smelled like crowns. It's time to toss. I really need to start going through some makeup and getting rid of some. I have been, like, in the last month or two, trying to organize my makeup. I haven't thrown it away yet, but I really need to get it organized. I need to go through it. I need to toss it. But right here is the thing. But this lip is a lip I've been doing, like, a lot of lately, so you'll probably see me do this a lot. Normally, I put a little gloss on it. Today, I didn't. So, it's just a pencil, like a regular pencil. I do like the shade. It's like a good nudish color. So, I like that. Okay, we're already down to our last product. And it is Moonlit. And this is Prime for the Night. It is an eyeshadow primer. We're getting 6.0 milliliters, which is 0.2 flow ounces. I like a good primer. I just ran through, like, I go back and forth on the ones I'm using. It really depends on what eyeshadows I'm using. Like, I find some of my primers work better with certain eyeshadows than others. So, I've went through, like, 2 of mine lately. So, I like the tubing, really pretty. I like anything pretty. And it's kind of like in a mascara tube. I kind of like that. And it's just... right. Can you see it? It is right in here. It's like my skin shade. I don't know why I smell everything. It does have a little bit of a smell to it. I think my NARS one comes in a tube, something not like a mascara tube, but it does come in a tube. And I don't know, I kind of like the ones I can stick my brush in and then like get enough one time and not have to redo it. But this one you do have to touch skin, cause you know you really want to watch and make sure your face is really clean. You don't want bacteria and stuff to get inside your tube when you're using stuff. And that is everything in the box. So we'll go over the prices really fast. The Huda Beauty Mercury eyeshadow palette is $67. So this is like double what you paid for the box. The Dime Eyelash Booster is $44. So we're pretty much we're already over $100. Like, what is that? $111. The Christopher Robin's leave-in spray with the rose water is $39. So we're already like pushing $150. Moonlight makeup eye primer Right here is $18, so almost $170. The Vike Beauty makeup melt right here is $24. And do you say that as Uma, or do you just say UOMA Beauty? Badass MF lip liner, which is right here, is $16. So we're just a little over $200. We paid $35 for the box, so that is a good deal. So we got our money's worth, and I'm really excited about this palette. Really, this box right here is something I like to get. I got makeup, I got leave-in conditioner, which I've got curly hair. Most people don't know that because I always keep it straight. So with my hair, I do have to keep it straight. I do have to like have a leave-in conditioner. Just for the simple fact is I got curly hair and I gotta straighten it. That's why it looks the way it does today. It's because it does not want to stay straight. And I did get the Huda makeup melt. I think it's Huda. Yeah, I got the makeup melt last month in, I think, my Boxycharm. I really like it, but I do have a few different things that I've bought along to take makeup off. And I am up like to, and I don't know how it happened, around Christmas, I bought Sony Mini makeup remover towels that it's not funny. I'm sitting out like with a stack like this big. It's horrible. I probably have like 50 some, but I do like that. And when I take my makeup off, I do like it to have like some kind of skincare in it that makes my skin feel softer or something. So I like that. But I pretty much liked like everything I got this month. I like the pencil. I kind of wish the wooden pencils I'm fine with. I don't really have a problem with them. Which I have not tried this brand before. Some of them are really great. But you do have to sharpen them, and normally I just buy the gel liners, the retractable ones. It's easier besides having to sharpen, but I've got one that I sharpen all the time and really like it. So then I've got other ones I just hate because I don't know, it's like every time you sharpen it, the wood does funny things, or it's like breaks off. I don't know. But I am very happy with this box. If you guys have not tried Boxy for yourself, I will leave the link down below in the description box. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you join the family. And I guess that is it. And thank you guys so much for joining me today. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.